How to fix Wi-Fi fail to connect problem on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Wi-Fi fail to connect problem on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, just go to your control panel and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on and see if you can connect to the network. If that does not work, you can simply turn on your airplane mode and turn it off too. After that, go to your Wi-Fi setting and try to connect to the Wi-Fi again. Now if this does not work, what you can do is you can go to your settings, scroll down, go to general, and after you're on general, check for software updates. If you have a software update available, just tap on it and then update your software, as you might not be able to connect to the Wi-Fi due to some software issues, which will get fixed with the software updates, security, and patches. And if that does not fix your problem, under general again, go to transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and reset your network settings. After you reset your network settings, your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that is how you fix your Wi-Fi not connecting problem on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.